friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make stuffed vegetables like brinjal, potato and bitter gourd. You stuff it with achari masala, that is kalonji masala, and you will really love it guys. This is really very tasty and a well-known recipe from North India. So come on guys, let's start making the vegetable. You check out the ingredients in the recipe. Don't forget to note each and every point. I'm sure you will love it. You will try it at home and everybody will enjoy it. To make kalonji masala, I'm using this special brinjal which comes for kalonji, like your bharwa masala and all. And then potatoes, use it as small as you can. This will it is easier for the potato to get cooked. Then some bitter gourd. I will make a slit in the brinjal, one slit, long slit, not throughout, just from here until 3/4 way. I'll peel this potatoes, and again same ways I'll make a slit in the bitter gourd too. In this again I'll make a slit as many as you can. So suppose if this is the size of the potato, I'll make 2 slits till 3/4 of it. To make a dry paste, I'm using a cup of onion. This is around 1 big onion or 2 medium size onion. I have diced it, and then one small piece of ginger, 7 to 8 chilies. This is small chilies, and also depending on the spiciness how much you want it, you just use that. And a cup of garlic, peeled garlic. So I'm just going to dry grind this all in the grinder. I'm not going to add any water to it. So just take a dry grinder, add all the ingredients to it, and finally chop the ginger. Now this goes for grinding. You can see the paste is ready. Now to add other spices, here I am using 2 red chilies, the pickle of red chilies, stuffed red chilies. In this I'll add the kalonji masala. This I'll give you the recipe for this. And this is amchur powder. This is the homemade, so it is so dark. Otherwise you will get it in the market. 3 parts of kalonji masala is and 1 part of amchur powder will be a good balance. So I'm just going to mix all of this. So just add the paste first. The stuffed red chili pickle is completely optional, so you can skip that. You can use little bit of Kashmiri lal mirch, so that will also work out. So you need not worry whether you have the chili pickle or no. Add the amchur powder and the kalonji masala. Add salt to taste, and now give it a nice mix. Just smash the chili pickle so that it mixes well. See, the whole of kalonji masala I have added. So now mix it. Now you must have understood why I have not added water, because this is the consistency which I look for the paste. And now this is the stuffing. Here you can see I have peeled the stalk and I have slit from the center. It's not completely till here, just the 3/4 way. And the potatoes, as I had told you, I have peeled it, I have sliced it, I have just cut 2 grooves over here till 3/4 of the way. For bitter gourd too, I'll just see I've cut down the ends, and now I'm just going to slice it in the center so that I can stuff in the stuffing. So if you find that the seeds are very hard, you can just scrape it down and remove it, so that again you can make space for the stuffing to penetrate in. Now I'll start stuffing. So I'll just take small portion of the masala what I have prepared, and I'll fill it into all the vegetables. You can also use another knife which we use on the dining table. So just go on filling. Same ways I'll do for the brinjal. So just go on stuffing and spread it. Fill adequate amount. It should not be too less, otherwise you won't get the taste of it. taste of the masala into the vegetables, and it should not be too more, otherwise it will ooze out in the oil while frying. For potatoes, just stuff it like this. Press it. Just with the knife, slide it till the bottom. And the other side too. And for the people who are new, who are trying this for the first time, you can just tie it with the thread so that the paste doesn't come out. See, I have stuffed all the vegetables and now I'm going to just start to fry it. Now to fry the stuffed vegetables, I have started to heat up the pan. I'll add oil to it. It requires a good amount of oil. So just add it. And preferably use mustard oil, otherwise any oil which is available with you, you can use that. Once the oil is heated, just drop the vegetables slowly in the oil. We will start with potato first because it takes a long time to get cooked. Lowest is the brinjal. So when the potato is half done, we will add the brinjal. You can make space in between and you can add the brinjal too. So the brinjal too starts to get cooked. For brinjal, you can see the cut part, the slit part is on the upward direction so that the paste doesn't come out. So right now all the brinjals and potato are getting cooked. Keep on turning it over so that it is cooked from all the sides. Now you can see that the potato has been roasted well from all the sides. So I'll now cover it and cook it so that it gets cooked from the inner side. It is not raw. The bitter gourd would be added at the last because the bitter taste of it will spoil the other vegetables. So it is added at the last after the potato and brinjal is done. Keep a check on it at regular intervals. It should not get burnt. Once the potatoes are roasted from all the sides and it is cooked internally, you can just pierce a fork and check whether it is cooked or not. Then you can remove it. You can see the brinjal is also done, so just remove it from the oil and you can serve it. Now slowly add the bitter gourd into it, the stuffed bitter gourd, and let it cook. I'll fry it from all the sides and then again I'll cover it and I'll cook it so that it becomes tender. So now just cover and cook it for around 5 minutes. Now the bitter gourd is also cooked, so I'll remove it and now it is also ready to serve. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.